Want to see what's working and what isn't with your contacts so you can make better marketing decisions? In this video tutorial, we'll show you how to take a look at your Contacts Reporting Hub. To view your contacts reporting data, click Reporting and then click the Contacts tab. You can select the date range for your reporting here, and the data will update based on what you select. If you want, you can click the Download As button and select either PDF or CSV to get a hard copy of this data. You can click the tabs at the top of the Overview section to see trends over time based on the date range you selected: total subscribers, subscribers gained, and unsubscribed. Take a look at your growth analysis and your unsubscribe analysis as well. Your growth analysis shows the top 5 sources of contact growth. If you're using less than 5 contact sources, we'll give you some suggestions that can help grow your list. Your unsubscribe analysis shows the reasons why your contacts unsubscribe. Clicking the View the Full Report link lets you see the specific contacts that unsubscribed. You can also compare your subscribers gained to your subscribers lost with this stacked bar chart. Each bar in the chart can have 2 parts. Subscribers gained is the top part of the bar, and subscribers lost is represented at the bottom. You'll only see a single color in the bar if it only has one type of subscriber. Take control of your contacts reporting with the Contacts Reporting Hub from Constant Contact.